Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and right now it's another fantastic day which God have granted us. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and also watch my videos till the end, and don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby Official. So right now, guys, I'm not at my home. As you can see, some environment have been changed. You see the perimeter wall, people's home, also going that way on this side here, and also to other side, but my camera didn't zoom. So I'm so thankful and also grateful. So for those people who join on my YouTube channel for the first time, I'm Hello Baby Official, the only baby in Nyabohanse, and I'm the guy who come from the humble family. I'm trying not to chase my dream day by day, day by day, putting videos after videos. So on these videos, I'm going to give you a quick special tour to one of the baby in the village, and I'm so happy. It could be my first impression. I'm just a learner, so I want to learn. So one day things will be happen in good way. I'm a pro. So guys, wow, these are balustrades that we have here. This some house here, and that's the beautification of our village. In Africa here, everything will be natural. As you can see on the other side, we have banana. So this is the most expensive ballast that we have. This one per truck going to 300 USD, and which I bought in my home, it goes to 150 USD. So it's a half. Mine, like this one, it's a half of mine that I bought there. So when I bought maybe 2 truck, it's the expenses of this 1 truck. Try to imagine that. So at the same time, on these videos, I'm going to meet one of my friends. We'll talk more about, guys. So you just follow the vibe till the end, and also drop the sweet comments on the comment section. When I'm showing you this, guys, guess where I am right now? And I'm just straightforward. I'm around at Village Owner's home. It's been a while, since they have been compacting this house by using bulldozer. It's been a while, guys, close to 1 week. So today I said, okay, let me say hello to him. Also, this is a massive project, man. I can't wait to see my mom's house coming like that. So it's a process by itself. Wow, look at this. When just like that, it's green, but when I touch, look, oh my god. Alright, guys, let me see this side. Look the way it is, but when you touch it, changing the color. It has like it's having some sensor. You try to imagine, lives in Africa here, having some sensor. Look, when you touch, it sends. Yeah. So this is African perimeter wall. Oh my god. You see, even to other side, that's people's home, man. Oh my god. And this water tank tower right here. Anyway, guys, Floyd vibe to the end. Guys, how are you, my friend?
I'm good.
Welcome. Thank you. How was everything?
Everything is just okay. Yeah, guys, I'm just feeling a little bit tired. Yeah, but things are really good, you know. Yeah. Welcome. Take a little bit back your camera.
When you put clothes like this, you look
so
bigger.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, even me make a mistake doing like this. I'm looking bigger. But for the reasons when people meet me live, say, hello, baby, you're too small. Yes.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit tired, but it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, so welcome back to Hello Baby's channel. If it's for the first time you're watching this video, my name is Vedi Jonah. I just do the same thing as Hello Baby. I have a YouTube channel, so kindly check me there. And subscribe, guys, you know, show love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so you've already explained to them what you're doing, right?
So on these videos, I told them I just came to meet with you, with your baby, and we want to talk more about. And actually today, guys, I'm on the lesson, interclasses.
Yeah. So, you know, guys, Hello Baby has been one of my friends, you know, so actually, all I can say is, let's show each other love, man, you know, right? Subscribing. So, Hello Baby, when you first enter inside your, like, the car, you must make sure you are wearing a seatbelt.
Oh. Oh my God, where's mine? Hey. Okay. Then like this. And then
Let me help you.
it's heavy.
Go back. Yeah, just relax. Yeah, that's okay.
Like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. So close the
Door.
door.
Like that.
So the first thing, you open the window.
Oh.
Yeah,
You?
don't. I'm saying about this window.
Oh, this one, side mirror.
The side mirrors, we call them side mirrors.
Okay.
You open them if they're closed, and if you feel like it's hot, like right now, we can. Oh, my thing is, I must switch on the car. You know, you must switch on the car before doing all those things.
Okay.
No, so me, I didn't switch on. Wait. Yeah, so this is it. Wait. Okay, so this is it. Let's reduce the...
Yeah, to get a fresh air. Monica?
Get a fresh air.
Yes.
And at the same time now, is it put down there? we've like, guys.
Jump start the car?
No, not even jump start, but just take the windows down, you know. But at the same time, now we are starting. You want to know how to drive a car.
Yeah.
So you must make sure that the brakes are okay. Yeah, the fuel thing. And now...
Okay, the first maybe stuff, your pedal, it's on your right leg.
Yeah. This is
brake.
an automatic. This is a brake.
Oh,
the other one is
fuel.
Yeah, because fuel and brake. The pedal for brake is a little bit hard, but for fuel, it's so soft. You know, you can just step on it while moving. Have you gotten it?
Okay, so you mean these are automatic?
Yeah,
the more you accelerate,
automatic, machine, but mine is has a little bit small challenges right now. But it's a really cool car. You know. So actually, this is it, Hello Baby.
Yeah.
You start it like this.
Oh, no key.
No key, but it uses a remote. Yeah, which is in my.
And then when you want to turn off, we use on this side.
Yeah, when you want to turn off, you just switch.
So can I try?
Yeah, just try.
Oh my God.
So I must step on the brake.
Oh.
Yeah, if I step on the brake, now you switch. Okay, let's try.
Okay, first thing you step on the brake when the car is automatic. Okay. And then off.
And then when it's on,
Mm-hmm.
now this is it act as a brake.
Which one?
This act like a handbrake.
Mhm.
This one.
Oh, because it's parking.
Yeah, and as parking.
Mhm.
And at the same time, you see this place written parking.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is parking. So if
You press here.
yeah.
Oh.
So I've forgotten the name of this place, guys. But you can,
Here.
yeah, is it what do we call this place, guys? Please, guys, remind us.
Yeah, it's within here,
Yeah.
guys.
This other side, only this. They call it a name, but I've forgotten this name. But now this is now where the machine is, and you know this is where now where the driving is, because without this, your car can't move.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and it can't even you can't even move, or you can't stop, or else because this is where the handbrake is. This is where the engine, everything that you
Here.
operate is. Because yeah, here if you do this, now this is driving.
Oh.
You know? Yeah, you just pull it like this. You see here? I've done this. That's reverse. The reason as to why we are not going reverse is because this one
Are parking.
is in parking. Now if you remove, you see we are moving.
Yeah. Hey, guys, we are moving. Huh?
Yeah. So if you want to move forward, you just step on your brake and just push this like this.
Drive.
To drive. Then you're good to go. One good thing about this machine, I don't know, do they say it's a twin? I don't know how they'll say. Because when you come here, guys, look here. You know, yeah, people help us explain. This is parking, this is drive, this other side. They told me this is an automatic side. But if you switch your car to this, let me show you. No, this is drive. If you put it to there, that's a different
It's come to manual.
a sport mode. Is it not a manual mode? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now if you do this, I don't know, I've never tried. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, on this side, guys, right here.
Yeah, I don't know how to use this.
Okay, let's use this side.
Yeah, so let's just use the normal one, guys. And my car is new, but you people can teach us on how to use this.
Yes, see this side here.
Yeah, or we can learn this one.
Or we Google.
Yeah, we can Google and check.
Use your phone to Google. And then we see.
So what is the name of this?
Guys, I'm on lesson learning. So, you know, sometime when the visitor came at my home, one day they give me some keys. Hello, baby, I want to send you to Border Town. And then I don't know how to drive, you know. Yeah. Or when I'm going to driving school, at least I master something, you know, small, here and there.
Yeah, guys, I'm trying to
So
check.
you can scan or?
No, mine you can't.
Oh, okay.
My Wi-Fi is a little bit low, but we'll try, guys. Let's give it time.
Yeah.
So, guys, I'm not good in really explaining or a good teacher of teaching someone how to drive, but I can tell you main things.
Yeah.
You know, let's just learn the interior, you know, of the BMW,
Yes.
you know, instead of us, you know. Honestly learning, because even me too, I don't know how to teach someone how to drive unless I show you.
Like
Here-
your experience that you have,
here-
you can share.
No, I can't share, but I can share, but I doesn't know how to share them, you know.
Okay.
Like me, I can show you. You know, there's someone who can share with their mouth by, you know, showing you and explaining you for you making you understand.
Yeah.
But me explaining is really hard now. You know, unless I
Okay.
show you in what we call these words unless I show you in like actions.
Yes, action.
Like, now we have to do this. Let's do this. This is
Drive.
This is now the handbrake.
Which one?
This one.
Oh. This one?
Yeah.
It's the same parking.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So if you do this, that's parking.
And handbrake?
And do this.
Parking. And also the handbrake here.
Yeah, so you need to step on and do this. That's removing.
So you step on brake first?
Yeah, so this one is driving if you do this.
Oh, okay.
So it's easy for it to just move. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. And when you want it to be reversed, it's here. It's just simple.
Okay, and also it's have the system to show you at the back.
Yeah.
Something to back.
It's moving back.
Yes.
Yeah. One thing I love about this car, its speed has speed. You know, this is a baby. Why can't you close this one? Yeah. This is a baby, guys. You know, one good thing about it is, like when you see even the speed, it's around 260. So it, like when it comes to moving, yeah.
When you go to 140 speed,
you must be ready to die. Unless the road,
it's good.
It's only yours.
You know, like in Europe, we have good roads, but now in Africa, most in Kenya here, bumps after bumps. So places like South Africa, when you go there, you feel like you are in Europe. No bumps, no nothing.
So this is the interior. Now this is the steering wheel, you know.
Okay.
It's written BMW.
Yes, right here, guys.
This is a mode. You can switch and go on the phone through this camera. Search someone or call anyone.
Oh, use there.
Yeah. You can add sound from here. Just show them.
Yes.
Yeah, right. You can add sound, guys, from here. Here. Reduce with this. And here, pick what you want. Yeah, this is the mode, you know, your calls. And here again, yeah, it has just the same thing, you know, adding. This is rest, you know. Yeah, so here we have these things here. So now here, this is for, let's say, having a cool air. You see? How do you feel? Is it cool? Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it helps when you're inside and feeling cold, feeling like you're sweating. It helps you to bring, you know.
And
cool.
Also it shows you here.
Yeah, and also here you can put the speed that you want, you see. If I reduce, that's the speed that comes. If I add, it won't come. So, see? So what you do is, can you hear that?
Yeah.
So now you can't imagine, not all of them are working. Only this one?
And this one?
Yeah. And that one. Yeah. Only that one. But if you set it to the other one, all of them will work. Yeah, so this is how it is. This is the, how do you call it?
Indicator.
Hazard.
Hazard, yeah.
Yeah, the hazard lights. This is when you're in, you can lock
your car
doors.
Oh.
You know, yeah. This is to help you. Like this one is now to, like you see, you can like put some air. You know, this is used to bring air out. You know, when you're feeling hot, you can switch this on and like air comes in. You know, like that. So that's how simple it is, man. You know, yeah. And those are your seats. Yeah. Comfortable seats, guys, you know. Yeah.
Like rich kids.
That's how simple it is. Yeah. You know, guys.
So the only thing maybe you can put here is Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi?
Yeah, it's inside.
No, you know, when you are inside the car, you don't need Wi-Fi because you need to be keen on the road, more especially our roads. you have to be much more comfortable.
No,
like,
sometimes when you go to the shop
uh-huh.
or supermarket and you need to download something, you
Yeah,
use
true. I choose using data because sometimes it's an easiest way, but sometimes it's hard, more especially here in the village. You know, we spend a lot.
Yeah.
But so me, what I choose is just buying data when I just buy things. You know, and at the same time, you know, avoiding finding myself on these things like I'm on too much on my phone more than concentrating.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So when it comes to like I'm going somewhere, I even leave my phone because I don't need to. When I go to look for someone, I'd already look for it, searched it. So if I don't have money, I just go direct for it.
Yeah.
You know,
Sure.
because I know what it is. But if I have money, one thing I do get confused is I buy a lot of things. I can go for one thing and end up buying things that I didn't even plan to buy, you know. Yeah. But they are always of use to me, you know. Yeah. Everyone should love himself.
Yeah, man.
What do you think, guys?
So can I ask one question?
Yeah.
I'm your Gerita Sikik. Okay. So, about your car. It's a 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive?
My car is, I think it's a 4-wheel drive.
4-wheel?
4-wheel drive, I think so, guys. Or is a 2-wheel drive? Let's know in the comment section. It's a BMW 523i. You know, yeah. So check and tell us in the comment section.
You know, the reason why I ask you, it's because maybe when you go other places and it's need you like the back wheel, it's not like rotating, so you use the
car.
phone.
You see my car? Is a very beautiful woman that only need to be around clean environment, cold places. I don't need to go around, those muddy areas. I love my woman, so I'll always protect her, so
Yeah.
that's why I chose her.
Yeah.
Guys, I love this lady. That's my lady.
Okay.
My lady, I swear. Yeah. So sometimes it's good to have a car. Like my big idea is maybe one time I'll have a big car, to be moving around those other places. But for me, I chose this for only the roads and only like doing what is best, to me, like moving from here to Nairobi, Mombasa, but not going in the villages.
Yes.
Because if I go in the villages with this guy, it will get spoiled. Because it's a small, like the distance from
the tarmac to the...
No, not even from the tarmac. The distance of it from town, to like how it is, because it's just a small car. So I feel like it's just one hand to the ground. So I can't even like go somewhere, where there's much mud or anything. I just choose the road. But one time maybe I'll have that one car, that one old car, to move with it around. Yeah, but I just wanted to start my life with this. Yeah, because
Unknown caller.
I am a BMW.
Hey.
I am a BMW. Let me switch the Bluetooth off so that this unknown call, now it won't ring.
Okay.
I am a BMW lover, really love BMW.
Yeah, big
Like,
machine.
really.
It's a Japan.
It's a German.
German,
machine,
yeah,
but
German.
it's my big dream,
Yeah.
car. So I just choose to keep it, safe for it to serve me for a long time.
And in terms of maybe consumption of the fuel, how it's run maybe per kilometer?
To me, I think it uses good fuel because, like, from here to let's say Sirare, it's around 100 kilometer. I use around
Unknown caller.
I use around 2,000.
Oh.
I use around 2,000 Kenyan shillings, to go reach, buy my things and come back. Yeah, so I feel like that's a good car to
Yeah,
me,
yeah,
like
yeah.
really. And even if it uses a lot of fuel, I just don't care as long as it takes me where I want to go. It gives me that better, you know, move. You know, BMW has much is much
Luxury.
luxurious, you know.
Yes.
So as long as it gives me those moves, I feel comfortable. I feel like everything is just okay, you know. So I don't care about the fuel that it
Okay.
uses. As long as it's okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's safe, no damages. I'm just okay
Yeah,
with it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can spend for I better spend for my own car other than someone's car.
Yeah, yeah,
You
sure,
know,
sure.
so to me, I used to be really hiring a lot of people's car. You know, until I once bought this car, I used to really hire people's car. Then, if I get any small damage, I have to repair them.
Yeah.
Use a lot of money. Then God ended up just blessing me with this
I
car.
know, I
So
know,
I feel
I,
like,
I know your story, and guys, maybe
Yeah.
this will be off camera. I know, I
Yeah,
know.
so I feel like this is a big blessing, you know. That's how God sent someone to just come and surprise me with this, you know.
Okay.
So to me, I always like feel that God is always alive, you know,
Yes,
because you don't have to lose hope.
Yes.
Just believe that what you're dreaming about right now, maybe someday, somehow,
Mm-hmm.
things will end up working out. So
Sure.
yeah, always put God first and believe in your thoughts, you know, because if you believe, always things happen.
I remember one day you said, if you have a car, you are moving, things are moving, but a
Yeah.
house
A house,
can't
you
move.
can't, you can't move without, like, let's say right now
Yeah,
I
yeah,
spent
yeah.
a lot of million getting this car,
Mm-hmm.
but I can move with it from
Yeah,
here
yeah, yeah, yeah.
to Mombasa, go do my own businesses,
Mm-hmm.
do videos,
Mm-hmm.
come here back, okay?
Mm-hmm.
More than even like, depending
Mm-hmm.
on how I could have used the matatu, because I could have spent a lot of time to go there. And at the same time, even if I use a lot of fuel, it's good because I'll just reach so quick and come back.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, do my own things. More than even compared to this public, you know, transport that you will spend a lot of hours wasting outside, you know. And when it comes to a house, okay, the car will serve you.
Yeah.
You'll go where you want. You'll do whatever you want. At the same time, not that I compare a car and a house, but I choose a car more than a house because I spend much of my time on the car more than even being in the house, because me coming in the house is only for some, like, I only sleep, wake up, go do my own business, then come back, sleep. That's all. Yeah, because I don't feel like I spend much of my time inside the house, you know. I spend much of my time inside the car, moving, doing content, trying to figure it out live, how things are moving, you know. Yeah. So a house can't move.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
a house will just be there waiting for
Like
you.
that one,
Yeah,
you see?
to come.
Staying there.
Yeah, and sleep, wake up, and go do your things. You know, but you have to make home beautiful, because that's what they say. And at the same time, people always choose building because, you know, this is we are in is it a new world? That's all I can say. Because things changes day by day. Like the prices of the bricks that we used to buy a long time ago, right now, if you compare the prices of last year or the year before last year, you realize that they were so much cheap. But this year, materials have been so much expensive. So that's why, like, people prefer to build. To me, that's why I can even prefer to build, because if I build now, later I won't be suffering buying materials for building because I'll be already having a house. But now that my dream is so big, because I think of just building Africa and wanting us to appreciate Africa and love Africa, I'm thinking of building, you know, Africa for the whole of my life. So I feel like every day I'll be building.
Yes.
Yeah, so I just chose myself. I just loved myself, and I said, man, if someone wants to bless me with this, why can't I say no? Because even me, I want to even experience a BMW life and just know how things are moving. And at the same time, God blessing us, we build, make a home, you know. Yeah, so a home is better, but a car is much more better. You know.
And also, guys, you try to imagine from a boda rider to own a BMW. How maybe some
I
your
used to carry
colleague,
people.
yeah,
You know, like a day I just get
maybe 1,000, 500.
500, 800, 1,000 if I do much good money, you know. And then I just got a friend. His name is Mara. I know a lot of people know him. So to me, what I did, I started being inspired through him, what he was doing, how he was helping people. Then I said, if Maro can, why can't I do it?
Yeah.
And I just started.
Yeah.
Kept on kicking, pushing until right now, you know. I never even imagined that we can meet good people who just want to support you, who want to see you winning in this life more than your family. So coming then, I realized that there's a lot of good people outside here who want to see us happy, want to see us alive, want to see us winning every day. So I kept on motivating myself until now we are motivating ourselves and each other, you know, and that's why we are here. So all I can say is because of God and, you know, good people around us, you know. And I feel like God connecting us with people like you, people watching us, is more than love, you know, guys. So that's how life changed automatically, you know, from a border. Actually, I ended up like, I don't want to talk about it, but
so like your colleague who studied doing some border to transport from maybe one people to another place. How do you take you like, oh, Vijona, we are on the same ground. Now you're buying car, you know.
No, it's mindset and your own common sense. Because me, when I was using a border, I was driving a border. I was carrying people, but I didn't like the work that I was doing. But because of the situation that made me be there, I had to be solid. You know, they always say that you have to go through a lot to see a lot, you know, and to know a lot at the same time. So I agreed to be solid. I agreed to be water. I became a border for almost 4 years.
Oh.
Trying to kick it. Yeah, just trying to work on it, man, you know, hustling. It was not really easy because I was waking up so early in the morning.
Around maybe 4.
Yeah. I don't wear shoes because of my leg. And at the same time, like, cold is there, you know. You go there, you may not get customers. You woke up very early in the morning. It reaches around 11. You only have 200 in your pocket. 200 is around $2. And if not fueled your motorbike, you know, you
didn't take breakfast.
Maybe you didn't take breakfast, you know. And at the same time, you doesn't even have a helmet to cover your eyes, you know. You use maybe glasses. So things were hard. Things were really hard, you know. But I really tried, struggled. The bike was mine, so I used to do like, I go work as a border, create my own free time, rush, do videos, upload, work with my own life, until, man, my life started just changing. I started like being a different person. So that's where I came from until here. So all I can just tell people is, you can do what you don't love. It's okay, but where is your mindset? Go for where your mindset is. Go for where you think can work, you know. So to me, I chose YouTube, and that's where we are right now. So when someone sees me outside there and think that this is because of being lucky or anything, no, it's because of struggling. Now this is my fruits that I'm eating. So when someone sees me, who is a border and who we used to work together with, when they see me right now and start again comparing themselves with me, I start feeling sad to them, because each and everyone has his own mindset. What you think about, I don't know. What I think about, you don't know. So all we need to do is appreciate each other, instead of you feeling like this is this or this is this. And let's just work. You know, let's just try to do it. Let's just try what we can, you know, to make sure we are just striving and moving, you know. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay. Like for me, you know, when I was, you know, like upcoming YouTuber, and I'm still, you know, grinding so hard. So I went at the Venus Construction, you know. By that time, I only know, you know, Congrat Dad, and also once I see Dave Junior, and I worked there as a handman. So the crazy thing, Dave Junior was supposed to start the perimeter wall, you know, foundation. And people have already, you know, arrived with some working tools. And Congrat Dad, when he found me on the center at Nyabohansi, he told me, okay, you need work? I said, yes, I need work. By that time, he was calling me grandchildren, you know, Mochokora. So I said, okay, I need a job. And he told me, okay, let's go. When we go there, the mason have been, you know, signing people to work, especially digging the foundation. I didn't have the djembe. It's unfortunate we just meet, you know, on the way. I didn't plan. And I told Dave Junior, okay, you can maybe look for me this jacket. I rush home. I came with some djembes and then I do it. Dave Junior said, okay, you know what? Me, I'm not around here. So if you came when the work people have been like have been you know, like signed and the work have been already finished, don't judge me. You know, I use like another alternative way. I told the boda, you just drop me at home coming back. At the end of the day, I will pay you money. So I came with some djembes, and imagine when I go home, people have already started digging the foundation. I go home, I pick the djembe, I come back, I start. The last person to start. But who is God? I finished the first person.
Okay, the work.
Yes. And Dave Junior sitting on the ground washing, and I told him, you know what? I'm done. He told me, really? I'm done. So that's how Dave Junior said, okay, by tomorrow, I'll give you a shout out. For now, you just make videos. So when I finish quick and fast, I do videos, because my intention was, you know, to finish fast and then start, you know, doing some, you know, around maybe some 10 minutes and then start uploading. That's how, you know, Dave Junior loves my hard working, you know. When I do quick and fast, I start shooting the videos, you know. And, you know, some crazy thing is, other boda in Nyabohansi, they try, you know, to laugh me because sometimes I was toothless, and then when they watch my video, they say, oh, YouTube is not your thing. You just go work or look other job to do. Left YouTube. Me, I said, okay, let me do it. Whether it's hard or not, let me do it. And the good thing is nowadays they just, oh, hello baby, buy for us tea. One day I told one of the guy, do you remember when I was passing here, you calling me and then you tried to abuse me, you know, like, get out from YouTube. YouTube is not meant for you. And
asking for money. Yeah, that's how
yeah, because according to my heart, I said, okay, let me buy for them, you know, tea.
Forgive them.
Yes.
But can I ask you, why am I not seeing you with David Junior nowadays?
So guys, you're not the only like one person to ask. Even some audience, they will ask me, you know. So there's a day, her mom went to her daughter for the greeting, you know, the small party. So we just work since morning up to noon time. I went to collect sodas, looking for the pickup, you know. Me and brother Dag. So by the time when we will go there, nobody's saying like, when you go there, no shooting of the videos. So me.
But did you see other people recording?
So I'm heading there. So for me, we shoot the videos around Nyabohansi. When we go there, we eat, you know. So when it reaches at the time for, you know, giving some gift in and out, I have been like, Congrat Mama have been given, you know, some present. Me, I took that present to the car. And when I sit there like 20 minutes, when I came back, I found one of the GoPro shooting videos, and other people just, you know, shooting by using phone. Even the video is my evidence, but I just keep it for private, you know. I said, if maybe I see some camera here, one of the GoPro and some phones, why don't you like shoot around 4 minutes to add the video that I have, you know? So when I do like that video, it stay like 1 week, and then some reactors paste, you know, and then change the mind. And also, guys, they change people's mind, you know. Some negative reactors, they just paste and you know, talk about negative way.
Me, I can just advise you something. When you go somewhere and see people like doing they're not recording, they just wanna like live their peaceful, you know, there's this peaceful village life, you know, that somehow you don't want it to be seen on camera. You just want to chill with your family, enjoy, you know. But then people take advantage of it. So what you could have done is don't be posting videos right before the owner, like the person, you know, who is let's say where you went. These guys, you know, who are like now supposed to record the videos and even upload. When you see them not doing that, don't do that. Okay, unless you ask. If they give you the permission, do it. You know. Yeah. So the other thing is, I don't think it's a real big deal. So maybe you will be together soon. You know. So,
okay, according from that also.
And, did you try to apologize?
Yes, I do on camera, and then there's a day when Dimango, she was starting her Dream House Foundation. I go there, I just found D and also David Jr.
You apologize.
Yes,
now,
I go there.
Maybe there
You
is
just wait. I go
understand.
there. I make some apologies. Dimango said, okay, because you just, you know, face us, we came for apologies and we are the part of the family. I just forgive you. And also David Jr. said, okay, even me, I'm just forgive Hello Baby, no problem.
No,
and
maybe they have forgiven you. You know, people can forgive you and choose not to be around you.
Yeah.
Because if you've wronged them too much, you know, people are not God. They get tired.
Yeah.
You know, God can forgive you 1,000,000 times. That's why God is God. And that's why God is good.
Yeah.
But when it comes to us as human beings, we can, yes, forgive you, but get tired of you. You know?
Sure.
Yeah, to an extent that, I don't want to be around this person because he does too much mistakes that I don't even understand. You know, but when you compare us with God, that's why we are not perfect, and that's why God is good, and that's why God is great.
Perfect,
you know?
also.
Yeah, God is always perfect. You know. Yeah. So all I can just say is, give them time to heal. Things maybe will work out. You know. Yeah, because you are family. Yeah. So tell your people, man. You know.
Yes.
Yeah. So don't go around then at their back. Just because they don't want to be around you, start talking bad about them. It doesn't make sense. We are family. Just be good. Things will work out, you know. Yeah, and if David Jr. feels like meeting you, he will automatically, because I've been really seeing you with him. Really since long time ago, and I really loved when you didn't have teeth, because your content was much fire. I was even trying to tell you one time, long time ago, that Hello Baby, no man, you need to remove your teeth and just start doing the videos without your teeth, because that's where your content is.
Okay.
Your niche. But then I realized, no, there's other people who want Hello Baby to have
Teeth.
his both teeth. They want him happy. Maybe your video, you'll want him to see him without teeth, to criticize him, but no, he looks good without teeth. Sometimes.
You know, sometimes, you know, it's good and fun, you know. Sometimes I'll do, like, I'll try to open another channel for the, you know, as a fan.
Just come back. You just come back.
On this channel?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Guys, if you wish, let me know in the comment section.
Yeah, and your cape, the cape you used to
I have it.
Go wear that cape. Just be the Hello Baby. You know, Hello Baby needs to be a funny name. Hello Baby needs to be Hello Baby.
Yeah, hey, I miss you too.
Don't stop being too. That's not you. You know, nowadays that's not you, because you're too much serious. You never used to be like this. Go watch your videos long time ago. So be you. Don't be too much serious. Be you.
Okay.
And guys, to me, all I can say is forgive Hello Baby, guys. You know, he's a good, great guy.
Yes.
We love him. Actually, even me, I see him as my brother, you know, and every time, even when you see the blogs here, he's the one
Yes.
who
You know,
helped me.
sometimes with Jonah, I'll take you back because even nowadays, I wonder why people left me because of the small mistake.
No,
You know?
people are not perfect. That's why you're not perfect.
Yeah.
And if you honestly understand me,
Yes.
even me, like I honestly wrong you too much, you'll be like, no, I won't put up with this. I'm tired of this. You know, that's why people choose to be like that. Don't blame people. That's why we are not perfect.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. And
No, me, I'm not
there's
blaming
always this
people.
time. No, let me tell you, things don't go well every now and then. That's why there's somehow you feel low. There's sometimes you feel good. There's sometimes life is hard. There's sometimes life is smooth. There's sometimes you're not feeling well. There's sometimes you're unwell. There's sometimes, you know, happy. There's sometimes you're serious. So that's how life is. You know, just take it simple. As long as you love yourself, appreciate yourself, because if you die today, they will know there will never be any Hello Baby again. So love yourself, keep pushing, motivate yourself. There's a lot of people who love you outside here and who will even wish to meet you one time, you know, and say, hello baby, wow, God is good. People meet. We motivate each other.
Sure.
You know. Yeah,
so for me,
believe.
sometime I'll take you back, you know. Also, you are closely friends to David Jr., right?
Yeah.
So if I got to apologize him off camera, by that time I didn't make videos, you can also go and talk with him like, man, you know what?
I will talk to him. Just leave that alone. We don't have to even put it on camera. But all I can say is, just give him time. Things will work out. He's your brother. And he loves you.
He was my cousin, man. Not
he
my
was.
brother.
Not he was.
He's my cousin. Not he was.
Yeah,
he
just
is.
because you're not together with him doesn't mean that it will just be like that. That's why I'm telling you, there's hard time, there's good time. Maybe right now you're going through hard time. Yeah, embrace it. Love the hard time. Appreciate yourself.
Sure.
And then later on, things will work out. Yeah, don't force things to happen.
No, I don't force
God
things.
always make things happen in his right way. You know, guys, am I lying?
You know, like for me, I just, you know, stay calm. You know? When they will call me, I just pull up anytime.
It's like you really loved him. Hey,
because you know what? Let me tell you one thing. You know what?
They love you, bro.
They love me. And some subscriber reached me out on the comments, said, what happened you and Davey? Where is it? And also they ask also Dave Jr., where is Hello Baby? Nowadays you didn't see him.
Leave them alone.
Maybe people they think I'm dying.
Yeah, no, most of the subscribers, they want to get the juicy. They want to know what is really deep going on, you know. But when you're honest to them, they always understand, you know. And there's no one who doesn't do mistakes, Hello Baby. So give it time, you know. And to me, all I can say is I love you all, you know. Yeah, there's no one who hates you, Hello Baby. All of them loves you. All of them wants better for you, because if they couldn't have wanted better for you, they couldn't have even like told you, Hello Baby, let's do this and this, let's do a shout out, let's be doing this and this and this, because even me, I knew you through David Jr. So just cool. Don't talk even bad about them.
No. Yes, you know, sometimes, maybe I'll use this in Swahili. Like
someone is calling me
so much.
Yeah, let's finish this.
Okay, you know, sometime they want to like to give you a chance to stay, you know, like to be independent, and then sometime they would call you back. You know, like wanajaribu kuona vile utaenda mambo yako sawa, waone vile.
No, let me tell you. No, when you have done something wrong, think about what you've done wrong. Think about working on it. Don't think about, you know, if someone have told you that, Hello Baby, you're doing this, please, I don't like it. Believe it. Don't say, oh, maybe it's because of this. maybe it's because of this. No, understand that person. They're
Yes.
straightforward, you know. They don't want you to do something that is wrong.
Yeah.
So always just try to be good. And I can't like judge you or tell you anything.
Yeah.
No, man, me, I don't know anything about
No, even me, no.
All I can tell you is we are family. We love each other.
Sure.
Give things time. Even people who are in a relationship always argue. They break up
Yeah.
for a while, for a few days. If they love each other, they come back.
Sure.
And if it doesn't work, it goes. So let's give God time. Guys, we believe in God.
Okay, guys. Check
Yeah.
Vidi Jonah.
Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Vidi Jonah, guys. Show love, man. You know, we are coming from the village at the same time trying to do it. So show us love by subscribing.
Bima.
For life. Be my baby.
Bima. Okay, guys. I'll take you to other place. Anyway, guys, I'm in the river, and I just love the vibe from the river. So you can see from further distance, man, this is crazy. And then the water is running, you know. Look how water is running, man. So when it's raining heavily, like heavy rain, look, it push the dust from other side. You can see right there. You try to imagine, and that's a dry wood that inside of the water. Anyway, guys, if you love the nature from the water, let me know. And actually, I want to wash my face. Oh my God, this is my phone here. I don't want, you know, to risk my phone or else have some problem. But anyway, I'm putting aside. And I want to wash my face. But one of these days, guys, I'll do bathing in the river. You will see my experience as a village boy. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I decided before I'm going home, I want to, you know, experience a little bit this nature. And it's very nice. Look. Water is running. Oh my God. Also wash my leg. So I think I want to fix my phone maybe right here. I don't know. No frog will jump here to push my phone. Let's see. Let's experience together. So this is my camera, guys, for sure. And oh, just a minute. So just a minute. I'm removing my handle right here because it's the only handle that I have. So I wanna take it care, you know. So my first experience. Oh my God. No, right there, it's not okay. Look, I'm putting my camera here. Right there. Risk and take. Risk and take. Risk and take. Okay. Rest. Guys, just a minute. I'm looking good quality, like a good place where I can fix my camera, and then you see my experience, guys. I don't know. Maybe here. Maybe right there. What do you think, guys? Right here. Okay, guys, that is me. I'm built as a village boy. Anyway, as you watch these videos, subscribe, you know. You are my good people, and I'm gonna share with you village life. But anyway, guys, I don't want to take shower. Just wash my face, leg, and also my hand. I don't want my, when I do like this, I don't want water to go. Oh my God. Am I alone? Guys, what do you think? Huh? And I left my phone right there. Village life. I love running water from the river. And you know one thing, guys, when water is running, no jam, zero jam here. But I scared the stagnant water. Well, when water is running like this, I can jump. I'm struggling, guys. Amazing. Anyway, it's time to wash my leg. That's my leg, guys. I wanna wash it. Okay, guys. One of these days, guys, I'm telling you, I will experience bathing in the river as a village boy. Maybe went wrong, went right. I never, you will see, guys, maybe from this river or another direction. But I see this one here, oh, number one. Number one. You are my number one. Only God. Number one. They are my number one. Number one. Imagine, guys. Let me stand here. That's Hello Baby. Without a shirt. That is me. And with a shirt right here, I'm looking some different, So that's how I look. That's my chest. Anyway, guys, let me wash my leg and then let go. I see some kids right there. Mura, Vipi, come you say hello. Kujani. I see some kids here, but the good thing is some boys. And I want to ask them whether some ladies or women take shower here or bathe. I don't know. Me, I just come here random. Mura, nani wanaoga? Say many hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Hapa nani wanaoga? Mama wazee? Na wamama ni wapi? Saidi gani? Huu mtoto uko chini. Okay, guys, I'm at the right position. So I've been told only women going that way, but here it's meant for the men. You see? Yeah. When the spirit it's my spirit told me oh Hello Baby, you wanna experience here. And when I just came here to take shower or to bathe in the river, not shower, guys. Maybe a local shower. Who knows? I know when it's meant for the men, maybe here. Anyway, let's experience with you. And I know other places people use shower, hot water, cold water, but in our village here, this our life. No faking things here. And as you watch my videos, please subscribe, give more like, let me know what you think about on this vlog. But we share some ideas with one of my friends. Anyway, let me wash my leg because time is running, guys. Running. I don't want to cry when the time is gone. Maybe there. Oh, thanks. Maybe there. Right there. Woo. Maybe here. Not crying, guys. Alright guys, it's time to wear my shirt and I left this place. No jelly guys. I'm doing it in local way. Oh my god. Anyway guys, I will take you that way and to end my videos. So let me collect my stuff right here. So let's meet you on the other side. Imagine guys, I was coming from other side, passing that way. Imagine this is a road here, but it's because of the soil erosion. Anyway, right now I just come out of the river. I'm heading home. And it is what it is, guys. When you love my vlog and if maybe I do some mistake on this part of the vlog, please comment on the comment section like, hello baby, this one you need to make correction, you know. Also, you are a human being. Today I'm the right person, tomorrow I'll do it a mistake, but the following day when I do some correction, I'll never do the same mistake as I do maybe past or yesterday or today, you know. So me, I'm just passing here and we are so blessed. We have some stones, you know. Other people are lucky to have stones on their land. Other people are lucky to have river on their land, and also other people are lucky to have sand on their land, you know. So for me guys, I'm back on this game changer. I'm back, you know. So maybe other people will ask me, hello baby, where are you nowadays? We didn't upload videos day by day, you know. Sometimes I'm sitting down thinking how I'm going to build my mama house, because what I realized, I'm not alone. You guys, you really motivate me. Like my son, my brother, keep going, keep pushing. And I know for my solid subscriber who stand with me since day one up to now, may God bless you. And for my new subscriber who joined on this live or on this YouTube platform, feel free to join. And remember, subscribe to my channel. That's the only thing that I need, is to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos till the end, and also guys, don't skip ads. At least at the end of the month, maybe per video will pay me maybe $1, and then I still, you know, keep pushing. And what I realized, one day these videos that I'm making here, it will pay me off. Look, these African local trees that we have here. Sometimes other side it's dry, other side it's wet. You can see some leaves here, no leaves, you know. It's my evidence on videos. Whew, guys, I'm the real eagle. real firefighter. You know, I'm just fight for my family, for my young generation, for my young brother and sister, you know. So I want to be a good role model in my family, not a fake brother. If I could be a fake brother, I'm telling you on this camera, my young brother and sister, also them could be fake. And I was a good Christian, by the way. My mom, she was a Roman Catholic. I myself, and for my entire family, we are Christian. So we just, you know, believe in God, and we just fight for our life, you know. At least to put something on the mouth, you need to fight for it. And nothing come on a silver plate, you know. Yeah, man. So today my vlog could be ending here. So we call what we call a day. And I know most of you guys, you really waiting a day to start my mom's construction. But the good thing is, me, I don't want to start construction with less money. And at the end of the day, people complaining, oh, hello baby, you didn't pay me money. Hello baby, you didn't maybe do this for me. No, I need when somebody finish working at my mom's construction, at the end of the day, I pay people cash, you know. I pay people money, you know. So the only thing that I need on my heart is to be trustful and honest, and also loyal. Only that. So if anytime when I need people, when I didn't have money, they can work. I told them, oh bro, you know what, at this point, work. When I get money later, I'll pay you. At least people can understand me. But it was my first day, people working, no money, you know. So me, what I believe, God will open the door. And by God's grace, this year, it will never end without even starting a single foundation for my mama dream house. I know it will take time to start and to finish, but for the starting, no pressure, but finishing maybe next year, you know. At least I want to make my mama to smile for the first maybe step, you know. So for the upcoming generation or my age set outside there who watch my video, sometime let me know the feeling when you make your parents be proud, both of them, you know. Like for me, I just, you know, stay with my mom or my single parent, that's my African mom. I want to make her day by day to smile, you know, and she feel better. Oh, you know what, I have some kids, I have some you know, daughter and son, you know, and man, let's be happen anytime. Anyway guys, the last thing, if you feel like you want to support Hello Baby with a single, maybe cement, anything that you feel about construction, feel free, connect with me. My number is on my bio, call me and then we link up. So guys, I think I will end my video here by saying thank you so much. My God bless you abundantly, guys. Bye bye.